Hi, my name is Jaden, and this is my dad. Today we'll be making spicy ramen noodles with eggs.
Okay, here's the ingredients for our spicy ramen and egg. So we're going to use a package of chicken ramen. You can use beef if you'd like, it's all up to you. We're going to put 1 egg into it. We have some sriracha sauce, and we're going to put some chopped green onion in it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to boil our ramen. Everyone knows how to do that, but we're going to show you just because. I'm going to break my ramen up a little bit and open it up. Get the packet out of there. And we're going to go ahead and get that boiling. Okay, ramen's boiling nice now, so we're going to add our flavor packet. Give that a quick stir. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our egg. I'm going to let that poach right in there. Okay, the egg is boiling or poaching right in our ramen mixture, so we're going to let that go for a minute or so. Okay, we're going to cup our green onion. Okay, our egg is pretty much poached. We're going to add some sriracha, and depending on how spicy you like it, you add how much or as little as you like. So we're almost done. We're going to dish this up and get some green onions on it. Okay, now we have the cooked ramen, sriracha, and the egg, and we're going to add some green onion right on top. And this looks delicious, smells awesome, so we're going to go ahead and try it out. Hey Jaden, why don't you try the ramen egg and spice?
Sure. It's really good, I like it.
Is it spicy?
Yeah, I mean it has a little kick to it, but I would add more sriracha, but yeah. But anyways, if you guys like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you can get uploaded, or get more notifications for uploads. So yeah, thank you.
And don't forget to subscribe to Tbl. Bye.
Edit that out, please. Trevor.
No.
You don't need to.
I do, Jaden.